What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell for me so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Be careful down in the comments section. A lot of spam, a lot of scammers. I will never ask you to contact me by WhatsApp or Telegram. I also do not invest money for my subscribers. I do not offer an investment trading program. So please be careful. Don't get yourself scammed. If you want up to 12 free stocks, Webull is going to give you up to 12 free stocks. When you open a new Webull brokerage account, put at least one pin in that account. They're going to give you up to 12 free stocks. There's a link down in the description box of this video. Click on that link. Open up your Webull account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. It's official, guys. China is trying to destroy Tesla. Let me walk you through why I feel that way. So Tesla does quite a bit of its EV manufacturing in China. And the reason companies like Tesla and Apple do so much manufacturing in China is because it's cheap. It's cheap to produce their product there. And then they can take that product and ship it wherever they need to ship it and sell it. They also sell a lot of product in China. Now for Tesla though, they're having to cut their prices on their EV cars by 5% in China. Why? Because the Chinese government doesn't really care anything about private enterprise. They only care about state-run businesses. They allow companies like Tesla and Apple and others to certainly manufacture in China because obviously it's a boost to their economy. But at the end of the day, they don't care anything about Tesla. They don't care anything about Apple or any other US-based company. They really only care about state-run businesses. So when it's time to sink their economy, they go right ahead and do it and not worry about it because they know as a government, they're going to be okay because of their state-run businesses. They've had quite a few issues with real estate projects, big real estate developments that have went bankrupt. Chinese people put all this money, pre-sale money, put down these deposits for these to-be-built homes and condos. And guess what? These big real estate developers basically ran off with the money. And the Chinese government is not doing really anything about it. So companies like Tesla are going to be climbing uphill with China for quite some time. And that is reflective in Tesla's third quarter earnings report. When I looked at Tesla's stock price today, they were trading under $200 a share. And a big reason for that is because of their third quarter earnings report and their problems they're having in China with manufacturing, right? And the market looked at that as not a positive sign. So Tesla's going to be traveling down a bumpy road for some time. Fourth quarter, I don't believe will be any better. And then on into 2023 is going to be bumpy. And even Elon Musk said that during his third quarter earnings report call. It's going to be bumpy. Now, Tesla's still the number one EV producer in the world. So I think long term, they're going to be fine. You guys know I made a pretty substantial investment in Tesla about 2 weeks ago. And I could be kicking myself saying, hey, man, why did you invest? You did it at the wrong time. Listen, man, I'm a long-term holder of Tesla stock. I'm a long-term holder of any of my investments, whether it be individual stocks, ETFs, or crypto. And I've been telling you guys all along, it's going to be 2 to 3 years, man, in this recession that we're in. And it's going to affect every company. It's going to affect every American at some point. If, though, you can invest money consistently over the next 2 to 3 years and leave that money in good blue chip stocks, good blue chip ETFs, good blue chip index funds, and good blue chip cryptocurrencies, you're going to win. But you got to be in it for the long haul, guys. It's going to be 3, 5, 7, 10 years before these investments we're making today really pay off for us. Do not put money into any investment right now, especially in paper assets or crypto, unless you don't need that money for 3 years, minimum. If you need it before that, my recommendation, keep it in your savings account or your money market at your bank. Do not put it in the market. For my investments that I'm making, guys, I'm okay leaving them in there that long because I always keep cash reserves on the sideline. I'm never in a position where I don't have liquidity. So I can afford to leave my money in Tesla, even though I don't think I'm going to get a return on that money for quite some time. At least probably until 2024 in Tesla. Because again, 2023 is going to be pretty bumpy for them, right? It's going to be pretty bumpy for them. So my point here with this video is we're having major issues with China. Guys, China is the second largest economy in the world behind the United States. But the United States and China are intertwined. Why? Because a lot of our large blue chip companies do production in China, or they get their products and services from China. Your goal should be to only put money in the market that you can leave in there, like I said, at least 3 years. If you can't do that, guys, keep your money on the sideline, keep it in your savings account, because we're going to be experiencing some volatility over these next 2 to 3 years. What's my game plan? My game plan is continue picking up the very best companies, the very best ETFs, the very best cryptos that I can pick up, right? So that's dollar cost averaging every single month for me into total stock market ETF, S&P 500 ETF. That's where the majority of my investment goes, guys. And then if I can buy Tesla under $200 a share, I'm buying it. If I can buy Apple under $135 a share, I'm buying it. Why? Because those are great companies, man. They're gonna bounce back. Fed is getting ready to meet November 2nd. Hey, they're gonna increase short-term interest rates by 75 basis points. Now, the market already knows that, though. So don't look for a big change in what's going on in the stock market when the Fed announces that 75 basis point rate hike on November 2nd. There won't be a lot of movement. Now, if the Fed goes higher than that, let's say they do 100 basis points, then you're gonna see some movement in the market, probably a sell-off. Why? Because the market hasn't priced 100 basis point rate increase. They're priced in a 75 basis point rate increase. So be on the lookout for that next week. Again, though, no matter what the Fed does, if you're long term and you can buy assets while they're on sale, deeply discounted, and hold them, you're gonna win. So just keep that in mind. I gotta keep this money in there 2 to 3 years. If I can't keep it in there that long, I keep it on the sideline in my savings account. Drop me some comments, guys, down in the comment box, and let me know what you think about China and how they're manipulating, enterprise in China, right? Private enterprise they care nothing about. Look at Alibaba and some of these other companies out of China, man. Their stock prices are tumbling, guys. Why? Because the Chinese government is doing nothing to protect them. They only care about state-run businesses in China, man. That's all they care about. So give me your opinion on that. And is it a smart idea for Tesla to have a manufacturing facility in China, given the fact that we know the Chinese government really cares nothing about them? I don't know. Let me know what you think. If you want up to 12 free stocks Webull is going to give you up to 12 free stocks when you open a new Webull brokerage account, guys. Like I said, that link is down in the description box. Go open that new Webull brokerage account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. You can see it in your mind. You can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. And I'm going to catch you on the next video. Peace. Today's video is sponsored by my company, RF Financial Consulting. And in my company, I work with individuals just like you through financial mentoring and coaching sessions. And in those 1-hour sessions, we talk about strategies to help you get to your financial freedom, whether it be through real estate investing, stock market investing, creating additional streams of income, credit card arbitrage, or starting and growing a business. If that's something that you might be interested in, there's an email address in the description box of the video. Send me an email and let's discuss if I'm the right fit for you.